Today on Old Guy Rides, we're going to do an unboxing of this Sportsman 3,500 pound Pro winch, the one with the remote, with the fast retrieval, with the auto stop. We're going to unbox it, see what's in it, and then shortly after that in a separate video, we're going to install it on this ATV. You know, the only difference between me at 65 and all those young riders that are out there, I make this look good. Got the instructions. The unit itself is contained, even though the instructions show all separate pieces, the unit itself is pretty well assembled with only a few added parts to it. Straps and the bolts for mounting it. The remote unit and the remote controller, which also gets mounted. The controlling unit, and the hand part of it. That's all that comes in the box. When mounting this unit, you actually have to mount 4 separate things. You have to mount the winch itself, which sits like that. You have to mount the control unit to the motorcycle, to the ATV handlebar. You have to mount this control box, which kind of connects all of these different pieces. And then the remote control, which gets mounted to the frame underneath, and then allows you to have the remote controller so that you can remotely retrieve your winch without having to sit on the bike and hold the handle, which sometimes can be dangerous. If these things snap back at you, if there's a snap in the cord, they'll come flying back at a very high rate of speed. If you're off to the side and it snaps back, you're not in the way of any danger. So this is a good little item to have. It also has the front plate on it. Now this front plate, what happens is as you're retrieving the cord, when this stopper gets to here, there's a magnet in here, it deactivates the winch, meaning that it doesn't try to overload and pull on the chain and possibly break itself. You can't do that. And this works in high speed or regular speed. When it gets here, it stops. Good little item to have. It protects the winch, it protects you, so you don't have to constantly thumb it and watch it. So it's a good way of protecting. This is the top of the line for the Sportsman, 3,500 pounds. And we're going to be going through the instructions. There are several videos online that go through how to install this. The online also has these instructions, so if you lost these, you could actually get them online. And there's a couple of good videos, one in particular that actually loads this model, which I've watched several times, installs this on a 2017 Sportsman 1000. Not this particular unit, but one close enough to it. The grill's a little bit different, but otherwise the installation process is the same. So that's the unboxing of this. And our next video will be on installing.